Mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting YouTube channel. Una sa lahat, ako nga po pala si Barch Carmelotes, and this time turuan ko po kayo sa Hokage technique in terms of finding the accurate answer. Dahil ang pinaka-importante sa board examination for teachers ay hanapin mo yung accurate answer. But bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe dahil na-upload ako dito ng mga mathematics tutorial as well as licensure examination for teachers reviewer 2024, especially in the fields of mathematics. Wala nang intro-intro, simulan na natin to. Our first problem, it says the property of real numbers which describes the quantity of 5 plus 6 plus 3 equals 3 plus the quantity of 5 plus 6 is blank. There are 4 choices. Letter A, distributive, B, commutative, C, reflexive, D, associative. As you can see to our screen, we have nagka-interchange lang ang terms. Just like 5 plus 6 plus 3, then equal lang yan sa 3 plus the quantity of 5 plus 6. Therefore, that is known as commutative. Because as we all know, that commutative property can be interchanged just like A plus B, equal lang yan sa B plus A. Or 2 plus 3, equal lang yan sa 3 plus 2. Understood? Okay, therefore, our final answer is letter B, commutative property. This time, let's proceed to our second problem. It says, what is the value of 3.5 kilograms in grams? So we are tasked to convert from kilograms to grams. In our given problem, we have 3.5 kilograms. Right, 3.5 kilograms. And as we all know that in 1 kilogram, it is equivalent to 1,000 grams. Then, all you have to do is multiply 3.5 to 1,000. It's like this. 3.5 kilogram times 1,000 grams over 1 kilogram. Copy lang yung nasa denominator 1 na 1 kilogram. Then afterwards, multiply the two numbers. 3.5 times 1,000, that is 3,500. Then cancel the unit kilograms. Then ang remaining unit, we have grams. This time, we already converted from kilograms to grams. Just like 3,500 grams divided by 1, that is known as 3,500 grams. Therefore, our final answer is letter C. Let's proceed to our third problem. Which of the following is a multiple of 8? As we all know, that multiple of 8 ay yung ma-divide sa 8. Look at our screen. If we are going to check letter A, 1,460 divided by 8, it is equals to 182.5. So, ang bibigay niya ay decimal. As well as letter B, decimal ang kanyang result. 53,250 divided by 8, we have 6,656.25. Then letter D, this is also a decimal result. We have 5,148 divided by 8 equals 643.5. Then, sa lahat ng choices, si C lang ang merong result na walang decimal point. Just like 30,400 divided by 8 equals 4,050. Therefore, our final answer is letter C, 30,400. Let's proceed to our fourth problem. What is the average of A, B, C? As we all know that average is, you need to count the number of terms or letters, numbers, something like that, then divide by the total number. Just like the quantity of A plus B plus C, then divided by 3 because there are 3 letters in the given problem. Okay? Let's proceed to question number 5 or item 5. 0.0125 expressed in fraction in lowest term is blank. First and foremost, find the decimal form of the following choices. Letter A, look at our screen. At the bottom, we have 1 divided by 8 equals 0.125. Equal ba yan sa 0.0125? Or letter B, 1 divided by 800, that is 0.00125. It includes 2 zeros. Equal ba yan sa 0.0125? Hindi. Ang hanapin lang natin ay yung equal result sa 0.0125. We will check letter D. Look at letter D. Let us check letter D. 1/4 equals 0.25. So that's the result if we're going to divide 1 divided by 4. How about letter C? 1 divided by 80 equals 0.0125, which is equals to our given problem. Okay? Is it understood? Let's proceed to our final answer. We have letter C. Okay? Number 6. What is the smallest positive number which when divided by 3, 4, or 5 will leave a remainder of 2? So, i-divide natin sa 3 or 4 or 5. Ang kanyang ibigay ay merong 2 na remainder or sobra. Okay? We have 4 choices just like A, B, C, D. Ang board exam, hindi yan nangalan ng solution. But this time, I will show you on how to use this one. Okay? Shall we say, 62. Ang pinakamalapit dyan ay 62. 62 divided by 3. We will divide that one by the first number. We have 62 divided by 3. This is equal to 20. 20 times 3, that is equals to 60. Then, subtract the two numbers. 62 minus 60, that is equals to 2. Therefore, our final answer is letter C. This one. Because magbibigay yan ng remainder na 2. Okay? Let's proceed to number 7. The average of T and Y is 15. Just like this. Yan po. Kinuha ang answer na 15 sa T and Y. Since there are two numbers, we will divide that 1 by 2. That is equals to 15. But given problem na yan. Then, we will continue. And the average of W and X is 15. Same process. We have two numbers, then divide by 2, that is equals to 15, based on the given problem. But the question is, what is the common number of the given problem? We have 15, just like this. All you have to do is add the two numbers. 15 plus 15, we have 30. Afterwards, divide by 2, because there are two numbers. Equals 15. 30 divided by 2, that is equals to 15. Saan ba dyan sa 4 choices? We have letter A. Let's proceed to number 8. The fraction halfway between 3/7 and 4/7 is blank. There are two fractional form. We have 3/7 and 4/7. First thing you are going to do is add the two fractional form. Just like this. 3 divided by 7 plus 4/7 equals, look at the denominator, yung nasa ilalim. Di ba? Magkapareho. The same 7. So, copy lang sa denominator ang 7. Then, add the two numbers above. We have 3 plus 4. That is equals to 7. Then, what is 7 divided by 7? That is equals to 1. But the question is halfway. So, ano daw ang kalahati sa final answer? That is equals to 1/2. Based on our 4 choices, A got the correct answer. We have 1/2. Therefore, our final answer is A. Kung makita nyo to sa board exam, shade na lang kayo ng shade. Okay? Familiarize and memorize. If nakapamiliarize kayo, shade na lang kayo ng shade. Okay? Let's proceed to number 9. Okay, it's all about statistics. In how many ways can 5 girls be seated in a row of 5 seats? Okay? The question is, what is the common number of the given problem? We have 5. Because we have 5 girls and 5 seats. All you have to do is write 5 factorial. So, paano basahin yung ganitong symbol? That is known as factorial. 5 factorial, equivalent lang yan sa 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then, that is equals to 120 ways. So, we can now answer the given question. In how many ways can 5 girls be seated in a row of 5 seats? Therefore, there are 120 ways that 5 girls be seated in a row of 5 seats. Therefore, our final answer is letter B, 120. Number 10. How many prime numbers are there between 1 and 100? When you say prime numbers, ang factor lang niya ay itself lang. Just like 2 times 1, 1 lang ang kanyang kaya i-multiply. Sarili at 1 lang. We have 2 times 1, 3 times 1, 5 times 1, wala nang ibang factor. Or 7 times 1, meron bang ibang factor 7 or 11? Diba? As you can see to our screen, if we are going to count all the prime numbers between 1 and 100, there are 25 prime numbers. Let's proceed to number 11. Number 11. Find the greatest common divisor of 45, 24, and 5. All you have to do is bring down the 3 numbers because we are tasked to find the GCD or greatest common divisor. Okay, let's down the 3. 45, 24, and 5. Okay, ang ma-divide lang sa 45, we have 1, 5, 15, and 45. As you can see to our screen. Okay, yan po ang makadivide sa lahat ng numbers. We have 24, yan lang po ang ma-divide niya. 5, 1, at saka 5 lang ang kanyang kayang ma-divide. Okay? The question is, what is the common number of the 3 given numbers? As you can see to our screen, we have 1. Therefore, our final answer is letter D. Let's proceed to item 12. Find the least common multiple of 8, 6, and 3. First and foremost, bring down all the numbers. We have 8, 6, and 3. How to get this one? By multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Then get the common. Okay? Just like 8 times 1, we have 8. 8 times 2, we have 16. 8 times 3, we have 24. 8 times 4, we have 32. And 8 times 5, we have 40. The same process with 6 and 3. Just like 6 times 1, we have 6. 6 times 2, we have 12. 6 times 3, we have 18. 6 times 4, we have 24. 6 times 5, we have 30. As well as the last number, 3. Same process. As you can see to our screen, the common number is 24. Therefore, our final answer is letter A. How about number 13? What percent of 75 is 15? Okay? Ano bang number ang kasunod ni of? We have 75. This type of problem is very comprehensive, but I will teach you on how to use Hokage technique. As you can see to our choices, it involves percentage symbol. All you have to do is convert the following to decimal. Ano nga ba ang decimal ng 20%? Divide that number by 100. It will become 20 divided by 100, that is equals to 0.20 or 0.2. Just like 0.30 or 0.3. 0.38, then 0.4 or 0.40. Let's try letter A. 75 times 0.20, that is equals to 15. Ang Hokage technique ay direct substitution method. Okay, substitute na lang. Hindi yan naghahanap ng solution. All you have to do is shade ka lang ng shade. So therefore, our final answer is letter A. We have our second to the last item, number 14. Perform the operation and reduce to simplest form 3x minus the quantity of 2y minus 4x plus 6y. All you have to do is multiply the sign. Just like this, copy the given problem. Then, multiply this negative to the inner negative. Just like negative times negative, we have positive. Combining like terms, yung magkapareho ang variable. 3x plus 4x. 7x. As you can see, magkaiba yung kanilang sign. All you have to do is copy the sign of the bigger number. That's why we have plus. Then, subtract the two numbers. 6 minus 2. That is equals to 4. Then, copy lang ang variable y. Therefore, our final answer is 7x plus 4y. We have letter C. This one. Is it understood? This time, we will proceed to our final question or last question. It says, in an English test, 8 students obtained the following scores: 10, 15, 12, 18, 16, 24, 12, and 14. What is the median score? This type of problem is belongs to measures of central tendency. We have mean, median, and mode. But we have median. When you say median, the two numbers you need to divide by 2. Yung nasa middle. Step 1. Arrange the given problem from lowest to highest. Hanapin nyo yung nasa gitna. Dalawang numbers nga nasa gitna. We have 14 and 15. All you have to do is add the two numbers, then divide by 2. 14 plus 15, that is 29. Divided by 2, we have 29 divided by 2. Or 14.5. As you can see to our screen, letter B consists of 14.5. Therefore, our final answer is letter B. Ipalabas to sa board exam, shade na lang kayo ng shade. That's Hokage technique. Direct substitution method is the best. Okay? Meron ka bang natutunan? If meron kang natutunan, don't forget to follow this YouTube channel. Have a nice day.